Hey guys, I'm Torchwood and today we're watching Black Lightning and I'm almost done. I'm almost done today. I don't know how many reactions I've actually done today. It's been a ridiculous amount. I started at 4, it's now 2. I'm exhausted. I need to eat. This is Black Lightning. This is, what's this episode called? I don't know, it's not 2, is it? No, it's further than that. Equinox, the Book of Fate. Yay. Let's go.
Monster normal, your concussion.
She's ignoring
check
it.
your ribs again.
Mom, I told you I'm fine.
My God. You're healing already. Look, Anissa, you have to stop this now. It will destroy your life.
But you and Dad told me that I need to help people. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah,
I'm helping people.
she's helping
Yeah, as a
people.
social activist or a doctor, not as a superpowered vigilante.
So I'm just supposed to sit back and watch the 100 destroy what's left of Freeland? No. This is a gift from God, Mom, a blessing.
You sound just like your father.
That's a bad thing? Do you know, together, Dad and I can put an end to the 100 once and for all.
Look,
Damn.
I understand what you're going through right now. Trust me. But this road you're on, it only leads to heartbreak and pain.
Do you have powers?
Oh.
Can you stop a bullet? Shoot lightning out of your hands?
No.
Then how can you possibly understand what I'm going through?
Oh, shit.
I did some digging, and there's some chatter on the dark web about a group of high-end tech thieves making the rounds. They pull a job, and then they move on to the next city. So far, they've stolen over...
This clown. Thought you said he was one of the best.
He was, boss. I saw him tussle with my own eyes.
Find me someone worth my time.
This is my paradise.
Down, boy. Finally, a brother with some heart.
Damn. Damn. Damn.
Have you come to take me?
Ooh, you just break his neck. Fuck me.
He has to be hyped up on something. Check his bag.
Green light.
Green light.
Works then. Just not enough.
Oh, you are a teacher and a med student, and that's all you need to be. Just because you have abilities doesn't mean
and-
you have to use them
Why do you use them?
I've already used them.
to destroy a Confederate statue.
Oh, I know. It was a mistake. I lost my head.
That's just it, Anissa. You can't afford to lose your head. That's when people get hurt, or worse.
Okay, then train me.
Yeah.
Show me how to do this.
No, you're clearly not ready.
No, Dad, you're not ready.
That's true.
Hours. I didn't know what was going on with me. So I started doing some digging on the internet, and I saw that Grandpa was doing research on missing kids and enhanced abilities. So I reached out to his editor, and he gave me what he had. I did what I could, but it was so over my head that I had to give it to Mom.
It was selfish and reckless to give that box to your mother without giving her all the details. Your grandfather was murdered. You don't think he was researching anything else that may have been dangerous?
So you think the box was the reason for the break-in?
I don't know. Reading the paper.
Yeah, and Anissa's just studying. You know what you're not doing? Talking.
Don't worry about it, Jen. Dad and I are cool. Right, Dad?
Yeah. Cool.
So everything's normal. I'm just making all this up.
Jen can smell so much bullshit.
Okay, well, on a normal day, you would have noticed that I'm wearing your favorite shirt without permission.
Nah.
And Dad would have asked at least a dozen times if I had an activity to replace track yet. So, you guys want to try again?
She's so fucking smart.
All right. If you must know, Anissa was upset with me because I blew off a follow-up scan your mother wanted to run. I was busy and I thought it wasn't important, but your sister convinced me.
Holy shit. What, lightning?
Who are you?
Shit. Holy shit. Gambly.
Talk to me.
He did. Guy with a smile on his face.
Joey. He's dead.
What?
One of your men found this before the police arrived.
Son of a bitch! Run and hide. That's exactly what Lady Eve wants me to do.
It is.
No.
It's either her or you. You understand that? Do you understand that?
Into the lining, so I'll be able to monitor your vitals from here. I'll run you through all the bells and whistles when it's done. Just give me a little while to get it together.
Okay.
If you ladies will excuse me, I have a lot of work to do.
Aw, this is gonna be so cool.
Anissa, you think I don't get it, but I do. Ever since you were a little girl, you were always protective of others. Whether it was Jen or someone being bullied on the playground, you always stood up for them. And now you want to stand up for Freeland.
He wants to try.
Just be careful. Okay?
Love you, Mom.
I love you too.
All right, let's go. Let's get you home.
Damn. Oh, it's her. Again, bloody no, she can fight. Oh. Damn. Damn. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ah shit. Yeah. Fuck. Oh fuck, she's pissed. Oh. Holy shit, she's dead. They killed Lady Eve. Damn, I thought she was gonna be more of a... Interesting. Oh, jeez Louise.
Evelyn Stillwater Ferguson, a prominent member of the Freeland community, was murdered tonight, along with 2 employees at her Blackbird funeral parlor. Police sources say she was killed by electrocution, making Black Lightning their prime suspect.
Weren't you dead?
And just like that, Freeland's protector just became its biggest threat.
thought he was dead. Oh, you're definitely
Do you
dead
believe in the
too.
resurrection, Latavius?
What the fuck is happening? That was remember Amanda Davis. Remember through her work on Living Up Through and Through Those She Loved. Who is Amanda Davis? I'm gonna Google her now. Let's Google Amanda Davis. Oh right, she was a newsreader. Ah, oh, I believe, was she the lady who? Yeah, she was on her way to attend her stepfather's funeral and she passed away. Oh, bless her. I thought I'd heard about that. Right guys, so I will see you next for Revelations. That will be the last video I'm publishing today. Good God, I'm tired. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all.